The purpose of Irumudi. Irumudi, that is two knots, implies tangled darkness. The knot also implies dispelling darkness from our hearts. It also denotes the knot that ties together the inner selves of both husband and wife. Irumudi also indicates the fact that man's inner and outer selves should be in unison. This is Amma's oracle. The purpose of undertaking Irumudi is to get rid of your impurities, the impurity in your mind and also of your family. By impurity, the Divine Mother Adiparashakti refers to sins accumulated in the current and the previous births. She also refers to the sins committed by our ancestors. Despite many changes in society, the universal laws are such that every individual must face the consequences of their good and bad deeds, that is karma. We have to take steps to reduce the effects of sins committed in the past. We have to amend and atone appropriately. Technological advancement and science have caused disbelief in karma. Have scientific advancements and achievements brought happiness? Is the future free from fear? Have illnesses disappeared? No. The world that shunned discipline and lost control has started to see the effects of neglecting the need for performing good deeds. Yes, we have been witnessing this widespread corona pandemic. In Kali Yuga, or the era of darkness, the Divine Mother Adiparashakti has given the opportunity of Irumudi Viratham to reduce our sins. She has instructed people to observe fasting and adhering to a set of regulations. Amma has also ordained that even a 5-day strict observance is better than an intermittent or improper observance of a complete 48-day fasting. Irumudi bestows many opportunities to the devotees. One can perform Abhishekam, that is sacred anointment to the Swayambhu. Women are allowed to enter the sanctum sanctorum even during their menstrual cycle. One of the bags of the Irumudi has items for the Abhishekam. The other bag contains rice, an offering made by millions of devotees participating in the Irumudi. This rice should be cooked and served as prasadam. By this offering, one earns Amma's grace. Those who lament about their endless problems despite visiting various temples should take up the Irumudi Vratam and visit Melmaruvattur. Being an avatar, Amma blesses every devotee with benefits when they visit. Nobody is sent back empty-handed. It is a boon for devotees to undertake Irumudi during the period of Amma's avatar. Devotees from all over the world visit Melmaruvattur during the Irumudi observance period. So those who are viewing this video, please share this message with your family, friends and others about the importance and benefits of undertaking the Irumudi. Om Sakti.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.